Hello folks, it's that time again for What's for Supper Wednesday, and today we're going to be having something chili goulash, or whatever you want to call it. Now all we had to buy today was the burger and the cheese. I got two different kinds of cheese. We'll put that in the bowl after we get it cooked. Luckily we had everything else on the shelf. This is tomato products Carolyn's canned up. And then here's some pinto beans. Carolyn took the dry beans and canned them up. And we had this here on the pantry shelf. And we also had the macaroni on the pantry shelf. It helps save money, folks. If you ever catch deals or whatever, get it and put it up somewhere. Let's get started. In our little concoction today, what we're going to be doing, we've got 1 pound box of elbows. We've got one of tomatoes. And then we got 2 quart jars of tomato juice. And we've got 3 things of chili season. We didn't have 3 all the same one. We had 2 and we had the other one there. Pinto beans, large butter beans, navy beans, dark red kidney beans. And then I showed you the other day about the baking soda. I'm going to put a little bit of that in the water when we do the brown the burger up. Try it there. We've not tried it in a chili yet. And folks, this here's something, like I've always said, make it your own. You're sitting around thinking, what would be good today? Just start adding stuff. This all stuff seems to complement each other. And hopefully what we'll do, we'll have several days. I plan on taking this for lunch this week. But just think about it. Just whatever you think it tastes good. Now we might, after we start tasting, we may have to add some more seasoning. We'll let you know if we do. But just have fun. Let's get started. Alrighty, just drop your burger in there. We're going to brown it up. Before we do that, I'm going to mix a little bit of the baking soda. Let's see, this here was 3.6 pounds. So we'll probably do about 3/4 of a teaspoon of baking soda into about, I don't know, half a cup of water. And then we'll just mix that into the burger and let it sit there, and then we'll start cooking it. Alright, pour water and baking soda in here. Now what I'm going to do is just take my hands, mix it around just a little bit there, and then we're going to let this sit for approximately, I don't know, about 8 minutes, and then we'll start cooking it. Alrighty folks, we browned our burger up here, and I forgot to tell you, normally we would put onions in here. But once again, Daniel, he can't really eat onions anymore, and it's been a year since I had that C virus. And now all of a sudden, onions, it's like my smeller with those is 10 times or more stronger. I can't stand the smell of an onion now, and I can't stand the taste of an onion. I don't know what. I hope it goes away soon. Normally, like I said, we would have added onion. So Carolyn, she's going to add onion to her bowl. Alright, we'll start combining the rest of the stuff in here now. Alright, let's just start adding all of our tomato juice. And like I said, once we get to looking at it, if we think we're going to need more of something, we'll let you know. Now, give that a little stir. Now, when it comes to the beans, folks, that's entirely your preference. We're going to go ahead and add our beans with the juice in there. And like I said, once this gets to cooking, we're going to add our noodles in there. They're going to suck up a lot of the moisture also. Okay. pinto beans. Then right here is our dark red kidney beans. Now, we've got our navy beans. Now, we'll give it a stir. We'll try to cut out that rattling there. Carolyn's standing in the background giving me a look. Now, we'll get our seasoning. Next time we're at the store, we'll have to get stocked up on some more of this chili seasoning. Just if you happen to catch stuff on sale and you've got room, pick it up. And then just pay attention. If you have something that's getting close to being out of date, go ahead and start cooking with it. All right, now let's get all this here combined together. Alrighty, we've let it cook here for a while, started boiling. Now we're going to add our 1 box of noodles. Stir that up around. Alrighty, we'll see you in just a few minutes, folks. There you have it. Carolyn said it smells good. She's tried some. She said it tastes good. So let's get us a bowl fixed up here and dive in. Alrighty, we'll throw a little bit of cheese, and if you want, we got saltine crackers. You can crumble up some of them in there. Just enjoy. Folks, I'd like to thank y'all for watching. Lord willing, we'll be seeing you Friday. Hope you have a great day.